nasira.
Every day, households and communities struggle with improper waste of fuel, clogging our drainage system, polluting our neighborhoods, and missing out on recyclable. Meet Trashformer, an intelligent, high-quality waste sorting companion designed for schools, government offices, communities, and eco-conscious homes. Trashformer uses sensor technology and image recognition to identify, sort, and categorize trash from fruits and vegetable peelings and leftovers, paper and cardboard materials, plastic bottles and cans, hazardous materials, non-biodegradables, and electronics. It's not just a bin, it's a behavior-changing body that makes sustainability intuitive. Our early prototype already shows a promise: thoughtfully crafted designs and high-quality components, and seamless usability in Filipino households. Our mission aligns with SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, with partnership from local, international hardware supplier and government agencies, and revenue generated from sales and subscriptions. Trashformer is built to last and scale.
Join us in transforming waste management from a burden into a smart, sustainable solution.